Pippas goes around the world. Pippas goes around the world. It was almost the start of the summer holidays. Pippa was playing in the garden with her friends. "What are you doing over the holiday?" asked Wendy Wolf. "I'm going to the park," replied Peppa. Peppa was very excited. She was going to spend the holiday jumping in lots of muddy puddles. Pippa's friends were going on holiday all around the world. "I'm going to the jungle," said Pedro. "We're going to the desert," said Emily and Edmond Elephant. "And I'm going to the mountains," barked Danny Dog. "What about you, Susie?" asked Peppa. "I'm off to South Pole to play with the penguins." Susie Sheep grinned. On the first day of the holidays, Pippa and George climbed into On the first day of the holiday, Pippa and George climbed into the car. "Time to go to the park," said Mommy Pig. "Let's go," cheers Daddy Pig. The little car bounced along the road. The engine was chug-chug-chug, boom, clang, boom. "Oh dear," groaned Daddy Pig. "The car has broken down." Mommy Pig called for help. "Please come quick," she said. "This is an emergency." "Look," gasped Pippa. "Here comes Miss Rabbit. Emergency breakdown service." "That was quick," said Mommy Pig. Miss Rabbit said it was take her all day to put things right. "But we want to go to the park," cried Peppa. "Don't worry," replied Miss Rabbit. "While I fix your car, you can borrow my airplane." "Airplane!" George shouted. Everybody climbed into Miss Rabbit's airplane. Mommy Pig took the control. "This is fun," she said. "As we supposed to flying upside down?" wondered Daddy Pig. "The ground is in the sky and the sky is on the ground," giggled Pippa. "Yoo!" It did not take long for Mommy Pig to get the hang of airplane flying. "Next up, the park," said Daddy Pig. "To jump in muddy puddles," cried Peppa. Daddy Pig opened out his knob. "Are we lost as usual?" asked Peppa. Daddy Pig opened out his mouth. "Are we lost again?" asked Peppa. "We are not lost," snorted Daddy Pig. "I can see some trees. That must be the park." "Where are we swings and roundabout?" asked Peppa. Daddy Pig. "This looked more like a jungle than a park," Pippa gasped. "Pedro was on holiday in the jungle." Mommy Pig pulled the handbrake and the plane fell through the trees, landing on the ground with bump. Here was Pedro. "Hello, Pedro," called Pippa. "Are you having a nice holiday?" Pedro nodded. "It's brilliant. There are parrots, monkey, and everything." The jungle was fun, but there were no muddy puddle to jump in. Can we visit my friends on their holidays around the world? Asked Pippa. I don't see why not, said Mommy Pig. Zoom! It was Daddy's Pig turn to fly the airplane. Where next? He said. The mountain, said Peppa. That's where Danny Dog is. Whoa. Danny Dog was enjoying his mountain holiday. The best bit about climbing a mountain is that you're all alone, explained Captain Dog. There's no one else around. Daddy Pig landed the airplane at the top of the mountain, right in front of Danny and Captain Dog. Hello, Danny, shouted Pippa. We're flying around the world to see my friends. This mountain is very high. Pippa and her family said goodbye to Danny Dog and Captain Dog and flew away again. Soon Daddy Pig spotted lots of yellow sun in the distance. It must be the desert, he said. That's where Emily and Edmond are on holiday, cried Pippa. It wasn't easy to land an airplane in the desert. We've sunk into the ground, said Mommy Pig. Why do we have to fill the desert with so much sand? Cried Daddy Pig. Hello, Emily, shouted Peppa. Hello, Edmond. We've been studying a rare lizard, whispered Edmond. But it must be shy because it's run away. It had a scaly back and a long red tongue, added Emily. Yuck, said Mommy Pig. Lucky it ran off then. The lizard suddenly appeared on the rock. There it is, shouted Daddy Pig, frightening it away again. Did you say you had other people to visit? Said Dr. Elephant. Yes, said Pippa. We still got to go and see Sushi at the South Pole. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye, everybody. Susie was having a great holiday, but she did miss Pippa. It was Pippa was here. Susie was having a great holiday, but she did miss Pippa. I wish Pippa was here, Susie said. Squish. Pippa airplane landed on the snow and ice. Pippa, cried Susie. Sushi, cried Peppa. Pippa and Susie were best friends. They were very pleased to see each other again. Pippa had lots of fun with Susie and the penguins, but they could not play all day. Pippa still have to go to the park. Miss Rabbit should have fixed our car by now, said Mommy Pig. Woo! The airplane flew all the way back around the world. Hello, Miss Rabbit, said Peppa. We'd flown all around the world. Good things. I remember to fill the airplane tank up with petrol this morning, said Miss Rabbit. Your little car is working again, said Miss Rabbit. Pippa and George climbed inside. Beep, beep. Flying around the world was nice, decided Pippa, but something was missing. A muddy puddle. Pippa and George love jumping up and down in muddy puddle. Everyone loves jumping up and down in muddy puddle. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe for more. Bye. The end.